Hi, and welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we're going to learn the secret to our favorite breakfast cereal mix. To make this breakfast cereal mix, we're going to take a 1/4 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats and we're going to put it in a container. Then we're going to take a 1/4 cup of the Uncle Sam's cereal and put it in that same container. And then a 1/4 cup of a grape-nut kind of cereal. Dump that in on top, and a 1/4 cup of the shredded wheat bite-sized. And put that in on top. Then I'm going to take some ground flax seed, also known as flaxseed meal, and I'm going to put a tablespoon of that in. At this point, it's kind of a do what you want, and we fight about it in my household. Some of us like to put fresh fruit on top of it, others like to put raisins, cranberries, any kind of dried fruit, and nuts in on it. So we just put the lid on at this point, and then we each add what we like the best. When you're ready to eat, you can put it in a bowl and then add your favorite kind of milk. Thank you for spending time with me today learning how to make one of our favorite cereal blends. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you later.